Okay, guys, continuing on, going through question 7. 7E, we're getting into inequalities now. So this follows pretty much the same rule. The only thing you really got to watch for is if you're multiplying something by a negative number, then your inequality sign will flip. That's in one of your inequality rules. But I'm going to try to solve it the same way solving for x. So I'm going to say that's going to be 4x is going to be greater than 9 minus 7. 4x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2 over 4, which means x is greater than 1 half. So that's how E would work. When we take a look at F is 6 minus 3x is less than minus 4. Okay, so we do the exact same thing again now. We're going to say that I'm going to say that 6 plus 4 is less than 3x. And all I did in this particular case is I added 3x to both sides, and I added positive 4 to both sides. Did it all into one step. That means that 10 is going to be less than 3x. 10 over 3 is going to be less than x. You can also write that if you wanted to as 3 and 1/3 is less than x. Let's just double check to make sure I did transcribe that properly. 3x minus 4, yep, good stuff. Now we get to G. Try it again. G is 3x plus 6 is less than minus 2x plus 9. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to say that that's going to be 3x plus 2x is less than 9 minus 6. It's going to be 5x is less than 3. X is less than 3 over 5. And again, that's going to be my answer. Now we get to H. H is going to be minus 3x minus 5 is greater than 2x plus 11. Now, just so we can see the minus thing in action, I want to do this slightly differently. I want to say that's going to be minus 3x minus 2x is greater than 11 plus 5. So that means that minus 5x is going to be greater than 16. That means that minus x is going to be greater than 16 over 5. X will be less than 16 over 5. And again, if I want to, that would be a fine answer here. If I wanted to, I can also break that down into 3 and 1/5. So either of those answers would be perfectly appropriate. Alright, so that finishes up 7. Hopefully I'll have the clip for 8 done shortly.